In this lesson, we will discuss how to use the circle of fourths to identify guitar notes as intervals. The circle of fourths below displays the 12 chromatic intervals clockwise in the order of fourths and counterclockwise in the order of fifths. The primary interval pattern on a guitar with standard fourth tuning is that of the fourths. On the circle, a fourth up from 1 is 4, while a fifth up is 5. When applied to the fretboard, a note on the same fret on a higher adjacent string is a fourth, while a note on a lower string is a fifth. The pre-printed chart at the bottom of our quarter is essentially a linear representation of the circle, indicating that notes horizontally across the fretboard from left to right follow a pattern of fourths, while the notes from right to left follow a pattern of fifths. C to F is a fourth, C to G is a fifth. On the circle, when we skip a fourth from 1, we arrive at flat 7. Remember, skipping a number on the circle is equivalent to skipping a string on the guitar. Now, let's skip the D string and identify the notes on the A G strings as minor sevenths. B to A, C to B flat, D to C, and E to D are minor sevenths separated by one whole step. It is worth noting that the intervallic distance between the open notes A and G is also a minor seventh. Using open notes as a guide is a valuable shortcut to quickly identify two notes on a string pair. On the circle, skipping 2 intervals after 1, we get to flat 3. If we know the names of notes on the low E string, we can skip the 2 strings and identify the notes on the G string as minor thirds. Notice that the open notes on the E, G strings are also separated by a minor third. From root 1, we must skip 3 intervals on the circle to get flat 6. After the E string, we must skip the A, D, and G strings to get the B string. Notice that the interval between the open E and B notes is a perfect fifth and not a minor sixth, as shown in the circle. This half-step discrepancy is caused by the B string being tuned to a major third instead of a perfect fourth like the other strings on the guitar. To summarize, we classified notes on the E, A, D strings as fourths and fifths, notes on the A to G strings as minor sevenths, notes on the E to G strings as minor thirds, and notes on the E to B strings as perfect fifths. There are many more string and note combinations that you can learn from our book, Guitar Notes Unleashed, which is available for both right and left-handed players. We also recommend our book, Guitar Intervals Unleashed, to learn how to visualize the fretboard as notes and numbers. There you have it, using the circle of fourths to identify guitar notes and intervals. Our mobile app series, Guitar Intervals Unleashed, which is based on fretboard logic, as well as our reusable dry erase Nandy quarter, can significantly improve your understanding of the fretboard without even picking up your guitar. Please make sure to like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel.